Hi there, I'm going to show you how to represent a sum as a sum and a product. So, a sum is the answer to an addition problem. So let's take, for example, 15 plus 25. That is a sum, and it's going to end up equaling 40. So hopefully when we change this around, this left side around, it's going to stay equal to 40. If it doesn't equal 40, then we'll know we did something wrong. So first I'm going to find the GCF of 15 and 25. And so I have to find the factors. We have 1 and 15, and then 3 and 5 are the only factors. The factors of 25 are 1, 5, and 25, if I'm not mistaken. So the GCF of these two numbers is going to be 5 and 5. Well, it's just 5. So now I'm going to factor out. This is something that's going to be useful for algebra later on. And so this technique is called factoring. We're going to factor out the 5, which is the greatest common factor. And then in parentheses, we're going to include the sum that is left. So when we divide out the greatest common factor from both of these numbers, that's what we're going to include. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So that is the answer. And let's check it to make sure that it equals 40. For PEMDAS, for order of operations, you have to do what's in the parentheses first. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So now we have 5 times 8 because a number next to parentheses, that's another way of saying multiplication. And 5 times 8, we know, is 40. So I can put a 40 back here. Check. That works. All right, good luck.